30 degrees, Wednesday morning, 11 o'clock. It's dang hot, boy. Dang hot. Kim's at the toenail shop, getting her gel, whatever it is. I just had a walk around. Her earbuds weren't working, so I've got her some new ones while she's in the toenail shop. I'm looking forward to the first kingfisher of the day. That sea is lovely and warm. Where I've just come from. This is where I'm off to. It's a beautiful walk. Nice in the evening, just as the sun's going down. It's beautiful. Sea's all warmed up from the day sunshine. Yeah, it's good. You think, oh blimey it's hot, but then you think back home, cool blimey it's cold, so I know where I'd rather be. It's quite a nice walk actually. It's not too busy here, it's just right for us. Just how we like it. It gets busy during the day, then at night all the tables come out, candlelit tables from all the shack restaurants. They barbecue your fish and wherever you like. Where we're staying, at the Royal, what's it called? Royal Touch. Dreadful name, but lovely place. Got a really nice room overlooking the sea. Bit expensive, but it's okay. We're here for 4 weeks, so we need somewhere nice to park up. We've only been here. How long have we been here? This is our second day here. So yeah, we've got a nice long break ahead of us. Done the Indian tour a bit. Quite tiring, hectic. It's a hectic month touring around different cities, taking in sightseeing and checking into different hotels, taxis and internal flights, and it's all good fun. Now we're just going to relax. It's all people in the sea. There'll be a lot more later. Boats go out round to Butterfly Beach. It's quite good, through like a dolphin area where the dolphins jump up. So we'll be doing that at some point. Let's walk inland as we get nearer to where we're staying. And a cold kingfisher. Very, very nearly beer o'clock. Just walk up to where we're staying. Let you have a little look. That gets quite busy at night, the Cuba. Bit of boom boom music, which doesn't really tickle my taste buds, really. There's a really nice one just behind me called Kieran's, where they have live music every night, which is a fella with an acoustic guitar. It's very laid back, no jumping about. So we're heading to where we're staying, the Royal Touch. Where we got that name from, I don't know. We stayed at Coco's, which is next door but one. A couple of years back, that was alright. But we've treated ourselves to a beachfront one this time, as we're here for a while. Nice to wake up, open the curtains, and there's the sea. Lovely. Beach and the sea. I'm probably walking too fast, God. I think us Brits have one walking speed, gallop. Oh, bless you. Yeah, as I say, it's really nice where we're stopping. So we've walked quite a way. Not gone right up the other end yet. So we'll probably do it later today or tomorrow. I've been up there before. It's a nice walk. Right, there we are. And our room is right above the tattoo sign. So if Kim wants to get a tattoo done, she can pop down and get a tattoo. And I'm above listening to her scream. I can't see Kim getting a tattoo, to be honest with you. Yeah, just up there we are. Anyway, Amelie, there you go. Hope you had a good day at school. I hope you have a good day at school tomorrow when you see this on YouTube. See you later. Bye.